Welcome back, folks. Beautiful morning. A little bit of heat in the sun. Just having a glaze firing. I did start a reduction firing last week, but the pressure in my gas dropped. So I've just got another bottle at last, so I'm going to do a quick switch over. Just trying to get the last bit of gas out of those. Yeah, it just lost all its pressure and it wasn't holding a reduction flame. I'm going to have a quick look at what I've been up to. Redundant trampoline there. Pretty sad. And bodyboards. Now it's warmed up a bit, I can have a clear out. Yeah, I got an email a couple of days ago for a table at a craft fair, but unfortunately that's not until May, so hopefully I can get some of this stuff gone then. Ooh, beautiful day but chilly. So yeah, I've just been raw glazing these backflow burners. More butter dishes, loosely based decoration from Simon Leach and his father David Leach, Foxglove. As it's a personal decoration to Simon, I did ask permission. I thought it only polite. Trying a different style of dressing, oil pourers, nickel oxide and manganese oxide wash, little vases there. There's some, thought I'd give a lidded jug a go. Ooh, try and get it out. Used a toy tractor tyre for the design. Slightly bigger oil pourer there. What else, folks? That's about it at the moment. I've only just got some more clay. Clay to be recycled down here. I've just been needing a bit of clay up to throw some vases. I've seen a vase I like. It's actually slab built, but I'm going to have a go at throwing it and altering it. These daffodil style vases, this is another decoration that I'm trying. Underneath the clear glaze is a wash of nickel oxide and then Hackamid feldspar that I added some copper carbonate to. So if I can get in heavy reduction, hopefully this will have a reddy tinge to it. Okay everybody, you're all doing well. That's just a quick catch up. Bye for now.